Welcome.
Now you're on a toaster. Hey guys, could you not? I've been trying to do laundry for like 3 days straight. It's empty. Look, empty, broken, empty. They do laundry. Yay. Welcome to another episode of Bombshell Kitchen. Today we're gonna make breakfast. We're just gonna do eggs and like avocado and that sort of thing, and then I'm gonna meal prep and kind of make in advance my dinner. I have some chicken thighs that I had to freeze, but I'm defrosting, and we're gonna bake them. Then when I come back home from uni, just reheat it, and it's gonna be ready to go. So that's what we're gonna make. Yeah, because I've got time. Now it's 9:15, and I have until like 1:30. It's like 1, so I have plenty of time. So I've got the kitchen to myself. Totally empty. No, baby. There's a better view. Honestly, it's a pretty nice kitchen. I'm gonna start with chicken, and then we're gonna do the breakfast. I've got this little thing. I'm gonna get some tinfoil. So actually I can't be asked to defrost it, so I'm just gonna go with my frozen lump of chicken or chicken. Now you're on a toaster. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. The show got cut short. I mean, I just like rubbed the seasoning and I rubbed it in tinfoil and I put it in the oven, and now it's bad. Anyway, I literally just like cooked some eggs and I have the bread on the side. I'm just gonna put like avocado on the side. Also, in the meantime, I want to pick up my laundry. Avocado. So because avocado, and this is, no, it looks perfect in real life. Okay, I don't know why on camera it's not. A Nescafe 2-in-1 coffee. Creamer and coffee, I think, but it's not quite creamy enough for me, so I have almond milk, which is actually really good. It has a strong taste of almond, and I add it into this and it's so good. And I love this cup. Look at it. I have to take the sticker off. But yeah, love the cup. Anyway, let's have breakfast, and then the chicken's gonna be done in like, I don't know, less than an hour. And then I have to also do my laundry. Oh my god, guys, adulting is hard. So the chicken is, I think, almost done. But I wanted to show you something that I got yesterday. The brand is Barakat, and they do like lots of frozen desserts. One of them is these chocolate covered fruit bites, and I think they have like blueberry. I got the raspberry. They're so good, you guys. I only had like half of it yesterday. Also, I was kind of just reflecting a little bit about like how Dubai and Singapore are different. I'm more like reflecting on Singapore itself, because my grandma yesterday, she asked me, she was like, are they different? How different are they? And I was like, they're different, but they're also very similar in some respects. It's hard to kind of point out what is different. Objectively, you can say like Singapore is much smaller, the culture is different, the beaches are different, the transport is different, the sort of, I guess, high GDP country vibe is still prevalent in both. And people ask me like, what do you prefer more? I do say Dubai. I think also, if you look back on the videos of like my first vlogs from when I was in Singapore, and you look at me now, I feel like there is such a huge difference in who I am, in how I carry myself, in how I speak. I don't know, I feel like you probably can't tell that it's me, but I feel like I have changed tremendously in the year that has passed. Or not maybe tremendously, but there definitely is a difference. I feel like that kind of also affects our perception, because I wouldn't say I was unhappy then, but like life feels just really great recently. Yeah. They have Holland Barry here, and I love Holland Barry so much.
stay where we are again.
Having cinnamon. Thank you, Cameron. Yeah, we're at Dubai Hills Mall. This is so nice. I'm hands free. Yeah, I saw cinnamon. And I want to get it, and it's warm and incredible and so good and worth the hype, I think. So if I'm taking anybody here, I'm getting a cinnamon roll for you.
Okay, now you do hands free for me so I can complain about it. I'm gonna be like Alicia. Understimulated. What was the word you used? Understimulated. Underwhelmed. Right. This is underwhelming.
It's underwhelmed.
Understimulated as well.
This is the medium.
Probably because in America they have bigger portions. And in America, I know I'm not like USA. I'm like Latino America. They just serve bigger portions. Turns out this is a medium. To me, this is pocket size. This is pocket size. This is for a person, for one person. But we've asked for the half. They are fat enough though, so it might work. Because like, look at that. Look at that. And I love Papa John's, so it's no medium. Let's dig into.
Okay, so you decided to start a podcast.
She's already annoyed. Look at her face. I'm happy. Nothing.
Thing is, guys, I'm a huge. Okay, I'm like. I'm gonna get a coffee soon. Hi guys, I've been to Dunkin' for the first time ever. I feel like Letitia's really mad at me. Are you mad at me? Okay, oh my gosh, I got a white chocolate mocha thing. Anyway, that's what it looks like. And